Gold Awards 2017 was a great gala affair last evening, where we witnessed all the TV heartthrobs and all the exceptionally beautiful TV divas sweeping us off our feet. But what actually caught our attention were all those self-proclaimed just good friends couples, who were supposedly killing it with their envious togetherness on the red carpet. Well, the list of these lovebirds include Aditi Bhatia Abhishek Varma, Rohan Mehra Kaji Singh, Mohsin Khan Shivangi Joshi, and Prince Narula and Yuvika. Don't we look so adorable together? Well, let's take a look. What do you have to say on this? Leave your comments below. And for more such updates, do subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.